Remember excitedly clicking on a Flash game or animation. Nowadays, you probably see this dreaded message: Flash Player is no longer supported. This is because Adobe ended support for Flash Player at the end of 2020, and Google Chrome has followed suit. Opting for security and modern web standards, let's dive into how to try and reclaim that lost Flash content. First, let's understand why Flash isn't supported anymore. Flash had several security vulnerabilities, making it a target for hackers. Removing it strengthens your overall browsing safety within Chrome. Therefore, Chrome has natively disabled Flash within Chrome settings. There is no longer an option to activate Flash Player. While directly enabling Flash isn't possible, you can explore some alternative routes. One option is browser extensions. Some extensions are available that may help you access Flash content. These extensions usually work by either emulating Flash Player or redirecting you to a website that has archived Flash versions. Another approach is using a virtual machine. Virtual machines allow you to run an older operating system, like Windows 7, that still supports Flash. However, be cautious. Using an outdated operating system and Flash Player can create serious security vulnerabilities, so consider this approach for only trusted sources. To find suitable content, you may need to search for Flash game archives or Flash content emulators. Online websites that archive Flash content may still work in modern browsers. While this process requires some work, it allows enjoyment of Flash game and content without your browser being vulnerable. Be careful when browsing these archives and ensure you're visiting trusted websites before clicking on links. Using browser extensions and virtual machines, while not guaranteed success, are some methods helpful in revisiting nostalgic Flash content without risking your security.